If you've sent money using Wise and now you're wondering how to get a refund, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get a refund on Wise step by step, even if you're a complete beginner and don't have any bank account linked to Wise. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important points that can decide whether you get your money back or not. First, let's quickly understand one important thing. Wise refunds depend on the status of your transfer. If the money has not been completed or received yet, getting a refund is usually very easy. If the money is already delivered to the recipient, then the refund depends on whether the recipient agrees to send it back. Now let's start with the easiest case. If your Wise transfer is still pending or hasn't been completed, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Activity section. This is where all your transfers are listed. Tap or click on the transfer for which you want a refund. If the transfer is still processing, you will usually see an option that says Cancel Transfer or Cancel and Get Refund. Click on that option, confirm the cancellation, and that's it. Wise will automatically start the refund process. The refunded amount usually goes back to the same payment method you used, such as your card or original source. Now let's talk about the second situation. If the transfer is already completed and the money has been sent to the recipient, Wise cannot automatically take the money back. In this case, go to the same transfer in the Activity section and look for an option like Get Help or Contact Wise Support. Wise will then try to contact the recipient's bank and request the money back. It's important to understand that this type of refund is not guaranteed. If the recipient agrees or if the bank allows it, you may get your money back. If not, Wise will let you know that the refund request was unsuccessful. Now you might be wondering, what happens if you don't have a bank account linked to Wise? That's completely fine. You do not need a linked bank account to request a refund. Wise will always refund the money to the original payment method you used. For example, if you paid using a debit card, the refund will go back to that same debit card. If you paid using a balance or another method, Wise will return it accordingly. Another common refund situation is when a transfer fails. If your Wise transfer fails due to incorrect details or verification issues, Wise usually refunds the money automatically. You don't need to do anything in most cases. Just check your email or Wise app notifications. The refund typically takes a few working days depending on your payment method. Now let's talk about how long Wise refunds take. Refunds usually take between 2 to 10 working days. Card refunds are often faster, while bank-related refunds may take a little longer. You can always track the refund status directly inside the Wise app under the same transfer. Before I end this video, here are two very important tips. Always double-check recipient details before sending money, and if you notice a mistake, cancel the transfer immediately while it's still pending. This gives you the highest chance of getting a full refund without any issues. So that's it. This is the easiest way to get a refund on Wise in 2026, explained step by step for complete beginners. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more simple Wise tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.